Space Dude here, and today, Chody, we are leaving the beach. Say bye, beach. But yeah, we got all wet. We got our clothes. I'm sticky weight. Yeah, so we had a lot of fun. I was wiping my mouth until sand came out my mouth. Oh, that's kind of weird. Ugh. Ugh. Eating cotton candy. Guys, this is a beautiful view. Kitty, look at this beautiful view.
Hello.
Woo.
This view is prettier with the moon. Oh, look at the light.
And guys, this is beautiful. On the star, Ruby. Ruby. Senor. Yeah, guys, so we're vlogging. Say hi.
Hi. The girl who
Leaving.
did the whole time in the beach.
True, man. Okay, so we came here at what time? Like 4?
5.
No, 5, yeah. We arrived at 5. And then we left at, what time is it now?
8.
So, I'd say about 3 hours we've been here. 1 hour resting. The rest of the 2 just messing around. Right? Anthony, Chef Anthony. 10 being perfect, 1 being not perfect. How would you rate your fun? He said 10. I'll rate 10. Kitty, what is yours?
Kitty.
What is yours?
What is? Oh boy, I don't know. 8.
I'm not bothered, but give it 10. What is yours?
Because I didn't listen.
Yeah, it was more. I'll give it 1. No, 1 less because it's 9. Because I gave it to you. Okay. Issues. Oh, sister. Oh my God, guys, look at the moon.
Well, you could have eaten.
Woo. Yeah, guys, so now we're walking. Dude, there's a lot of sand going in my shoe. If you can't see, shoot. Hard. When you're vlogging and everyone looks at you, see a lot of sand on my shoe. So wait. Bella, wait. Wait. Bella, wait. Kitty, where's your shoe? Oh, snap. I thought this was just sand. It's actually rock solid. Oh, it's ground. Say bye, beach. Woohoo. All right, now. Mission Impossible. Jessica plus.
Come on, no, we gotta go. 5.
Wait, is this way? No. We came that way. Ruben, aquí.
Bella, look it.
Okay.
Over here.
Ruben, aquí. Guys. Now we wait. Now, ow, I just stepped on a rock. We're gonna fall. Bella, you can get off. Mission Impossible. Ow. Anthony. I am flamed. My name is I will do that video one day. Reacting to old videos. My chunk later. Oh.
You're so funny.
Beautiful sunset. Say hi. Bella, come here. Senor, say hi.
Hi.
Ay, senor. Hey.
Look at me, I gotta carry
How
you.
rude. Look at all that parking. He said hi. I'm a mess with my hand. She hates when I do this in the ear. It makes no noise. So I'm gonna just plank her. What's up?
Shoot on.
I got her. I got her good, guys. Good, guys. I'm Chucky. Wanna play? We have arrived to our destination. We are going to the car now. We have arrived to our destination. Oh. Everyone makes a stand. Packing everything in the trunk now.